And even as Pakistan has allowed a designated terrorist to walk free, Switzerland has rejected the request of the exiled leader of the Baloch Republican Party, Brahumdagh Bugti, for political asylum. Bugti tweeted that the Swiss authorities had turned down his request after many years. Pakistan had been campaigning against the Baloch leader and Swiss immigration authorities had been sitting on the application. Bugti is reported to have sought asylum in India last year. WION spoke with him. And of course, we spoke with Mr. Bugti earlier. As I was mentioning, he is the leader of the Baloch Republican Party. We began by asking him the reason cited by Switzerland for rejecting his application.
I really don't know exactly. I will go into the details after meeting my lawyer. But initially they said that they rejected my case over the allegations of Pakistani government, and that's all. That our political party is also have some links with another people who are fighting guerrilla fighting in Balochistan with Pakistani army for independence. So this is I think totally nonsense. We are struggling here for last couple of years, and I am a president of a Baloch Republican Party. So this really shocked me that a country like Switzerland always pretend to be a neutral country, but at the same time only looking and believing the allegations of Pakistani government. Pakistani government, I think they are saying from the day one that the Baloch, and especially me, we are the terrorist and the biggest, most dangerous terrorist in the world. But I think this is their responsibility to look some other details, and there are some other governments, neighboring countries, Afghanistan, India, Iran, and also there are thousands of human rights organizations who are reporting and already reported so many times what Pakistani government is doing in Balochistan. What kind of human rights violations are done by Pakistani army for last 10 years. So this is really very shocking news for me. I don't know exactly, but I think for last 1.5 years we are just trying to increase the political activities, especially in the Western world, in Geneva and in London and other parts of European countries, to highlight the situation, to make some awareness campaigns, making some side events with the European Member of Parliament and some other diplomats and US Congress, congressmen. So I think they are kind of irritated and frustrated, so they are just trying to pressurize Switzerland. Of course, definitely. Pakistan definitely, because they have mentioned in their report of rejecting my asylum case, they said that there is an allegation from the Pakistani side. But okay, that's fine. But what we are saying, you have to listen what is the situation going on. But if you only listen what only the Pakistan says, then doesn't make sense. We came here because we feel threatened in Pakistan. Our political activists have been killed. Hundreds of them are still missing. Some have been tortured to death. And what happened with my grandfather? What happened with my sister? My sister was killed in 2012. After coming to Switzerland, after 2 years, my sister was killed, and with her 9-year-old daughter. So these are all the things, these are also the facts. Why they are not looking into these facts?